Hello everyone, this is K-Size China. Today, we are introducing a radar water level sensor, KWL3. The KWL803 features a fully sealed IP68 waterproof design, supports top and bottom threaded installation, and offers a measuring range of up to 40 meters. This product is especially suitable for outdoor applications, such as rivers, reservoirs. We have provided the product specification table for your reference. Installation and wiring. So, how do we install the KWL803? The KWL803 features built-in threads. The default bottom housing thread size is M56x2, while the top thread is M12x1.5, and it is supplied with a matching nut. A suitable mounting bracket can be selected according to the thread size, allowing the KWL803 to be installed in a pre-drilled opening or on a mounting bracket. During installation, special attention must be paid to ensuring that the direction of the radar's electromagnetic wave emission is perpendicular to the measured liquid surface. Under normal conditions, the sensor's built-in bubble level can be used to ensure that the emission direction is vertically downward. During installation, simply adjust the bubble to the center of the level circle. Wiring instructions. Next, we will introduce the wiring method for the KWL803. The unit shown here is the RS485 version of the KWL803, and the cable colors and their corresponding functions are as follows. Yellow, RS485A, black, GND, red, 12 VDC, 9 to 24 volts, green, RS485. After completing the wiring, do not power on immediately. First, confirm that the power supply voltage is correct and that the wiring sequence is accurate. Once everything is confirmed, proceed with powering on the device. How to read sensor measurements via Modbus commands. The KWL803 sensor I am using adopts the Modbus RTU protocol with an RS485 interface. Below, I will demonstrate how to read the sensor address and read the sensor measurement data. First, open the Serial Port Assistant software. Let's check the parameter settings. The sensor's default baud rate is 9600, with 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, and no parity. The sensor register address is 0 by 2001, which we need to access. First, enter the broadcast address 0 and use function code 03 to read the register. The register address is 2001, and the quantity to read is 001. Please note that hex send and Modbus CRC check must be enabled. After completing the settings, click Open Serial Port. Then click Send. You can see that the sensor returns a string of data, in which 007F is the return data, and 7F is the sensor address. Now we use address 7F to read the sensor's measurement value. To read the measurement value, function code 04 is required. The measurement value register address is 0 as 0F, and 2 registers need to be read. Click Send. You can see that the sensor returns the data 12CD3 F02. Since the sensor data format is a CDAB format floating point value, it needs to be converted into a decimal floating point number. Rearrange the data according to the CDAB order as 3F0212CD. Now open the conversion tool. Enter 3F0212CD. And click Convert. You can see that the conversion result is 0.508, which means the current measured value is 0.508 meters. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.